is electroplating. Electroplating is a process in which the coat material is deposited on the base metal by passing a direct current through an electrolytic solution by means of electrolysis. What is electroplating? Electroplating is nothing but passing the current through an electrolytic solution. Passing the current, direct current through an electrolytic solution by means of electrolysis. Here, what are the uses for using electroplating? To increase the resistance to get better appearance, to increase the hardness of the metal, to change the surface properties of metal and non-metals. These are the objectives, these are the benefits to using the electroplating. Here, one diagram is there. This is copper and this is silver, and this is direct DC corrosion, DC current, and this whole process is called electrolysis. Here the process. In electroplating, the cleaned base metal is made as the cathode, and the coat material is taken as anode. Here, the base metal is made as the cathode, and the coat material is taken as anode. A solution of the coat metal salt is taken as the electrolyte. This is the electrolytic solution, silver thiocyanate. Then the electrodes are connected to the battery. Here DC current is passed. Now electrolysis takes place and the coat metal is deposited over the base metal. Then the nature of coating depend upon the current density, the time taken, the temperature, and the concentration of the electrolyte. Your whole process depends upon the current density and time taken for the deposition of the base metal and the temperature. And the fourth one is the concentration of the silver thiocyanate electrolyte. For example, to electroplate a spoon made up of copper with the silver, the copper spoon is taken as the cathode. Here. Copper is taken as the cathode, and a silver plate is taken as the anode. Here, this one is anode, and this one copper is cathode. The silver is anode, copper is cathode. A silver plate is taken as the anode. Silver thiocyanate solution is the electrolytic solution. When the electrodes are connected to DC source of electricity, silver is deposited over the copper spoon. Here copper will be the protected. Here the copper will be the protected. This is about the differences between galvanizing and tinning processes, metallic coatings, electroplating, and then example with electroplating with copper and silver with electrolytic solution, silver thiocyanate. These are the metal coatings which are used in prevention of corrosion. Thank you, Vanan.